Uh, Hello everyone. This is the Mahalingam from Mahalingam Market Rhythm Profit 100. Okay. Today I wanted to show you this Coal India chart. How the Coal India is performing for the past 3 days. If you can see, there are three green candle. It is a clear breakout of somewhere around this point. Okay. Now this point is breakout 150, somewhere 148, 150. Okay. Coal India for the past few months trying to break out this point. You can see here one, two, three touch points. See the way it was hit 150 zone and coming down. One, second, and this is a small third one, and this is a larger correction for Coal India. Then it is bounced back. Okay. First confirmation about the Coal India for the long side. It is trading above the 20-day moving average. Second, it is trading above 200-day moving average. And third, it is giving very good breakout. You can see the candle size. In the trading or investment, breakout point with a clear candle is very important. So this zone clearly take out, and this is the third confirmation, and you can draw the trend line from the top 14th January 20. You have 1, 2, 3 touch points that is also taken out. So 20-day moving average above, 200-day moving average above the trend line, above the breakout. Okay, four parameters, four clear things where you can go long in Coal India. In addition to that, if you draw a Fibonacci, I just want to take all this out because it is giving you. Okay, if you draw the Fibonacci from this point to the low, see this 150 is a 61.8% retracement. It is clearly breakout. So one can go long in Coal India around 149. Wait for the retracement. Don't hurry. Don't try to jump into the trade and buy here. Maybe it will retest this area around 149 to 146. Day trader, you can go long at 152 with the stop of about 146. For the investment people, you can buy the Coal India around 150 zone. You can start accumulate till your 20-day moving average, which is 140. Okay, it will not break below 140 easily, because if you see the consolidation here, you can see from December to February, it's almost 60-90 days trading this area. So it's a very good breakout by Coal India. You can go long here. In addition to that, I wanted to show you another confirmation about the breakout. You can draw a head and shoulder pattern. See here. It clearly gives you a breakout. Normally in a head and shoulder, your right shoulder should be in the slightly upper side when you compare with the left shoulder. You can see the left shoulder low is 129 and the right shoulder somewhere here 132. All the indicators are giving you the strength of Coal India. It may going up, so catch as you can. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.